Yeah, I see that. Do you know what to do next? 1 times 16, subtract from 17. 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. You are so smart. You're smart. Okay, let's take a look at number 1. You guys, I am so impressed with you. You went on to the next math minute. And then the next one. Some kids are on 64. Braden's on 65. Holy bananas. I love it. All right, let's take a look at number 1, you guys. What is 192 divided by 12? Who has a quotient for me? Where's my shield? What did I do with it this time? Oh, here it is. Tisk, tisk. All right, Gavin, what do you got?
I got 16.
He got 16. Let's see if he's right. How many 12s can you make to go into 19? Just one. 12 times 1 is 12. I subtract that from 19. I get 7. Bring down my 2. How many 12s can go into 72? I don't know. So I'm just going to keep adding. What did you say again, Gavin?
I said 16.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are correct, sir. 6 12s. Nice job. All right, number 2, circle a reasonable measurement for the angle. Notice how you've got 2 lines that come together that form a box in the corner. What do we call that kind of an angle? 90 degrees. Anybody know the correct word for that angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Nice job, Sarami. Okay, number 3. Daniela wants to buy a basketball for $15 and a new pair of sneakers for $75.50. How much money does she need altogether to buy the items? Juliana.
$90.50.
I think she's right. Let's try it out over here. $75.50 plus $15 equals dun, dun, $90.50. Did you remember your dollar sign?
Yeah.
Put it in there if you forgot it. Ryan has 25 marbles. He gives away 8 marbles. How many marbles does he have left? Ooh, this had to be a really tough one. Brecken? 25 minus 8, 17. An insect is about a yard long, a foot long, or an inch long. Braxton? Inch. Good heavens, if it's a yard long, I don't want to see it. Tyler rode his bicycle 4 miles in 30 minutes, 400 yards in 30 minutes, or 2,000 feet. Ava? 4 miles, yes. The height of a telephone pole is about 10 feet tall, 1 yard, or 24 inches. Langston?
1 yard.
Oh, a yard is only about this high. A telephone pole goes up way higher, 10 feet. Which point is at 2, 2? Remember, on a coordinate grid, we go over 2 and up 2. That would be letter number J, or letter Jacob?
A.
A. How many hours have passed between 7:15 a.m. in the morning until 4:15 p.m.? Juliana?
9 hours.
Let's see if she's right. 7:15, remember we count on our fingers. 8:15, 9:15, 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, 3:15, 4:15, 9 hours. Good job, Juliana. And 5:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. Audrey, what do you think?
I don't know, but it's either 10 hours or 11 hours.
It's 10. Yep. So 5:30 p.m., 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. 10 hours. Good. It's okay to use your fingers. Miss Yorks does all the time. All right, would you put those off to the side, please? And then 4th graders, last week when you had Miss Jenkins here, she gave you a pink packet. It looks like this. It says perimeter on the top. Would you please take those out?
I didn't take that.
Yep, I got one for you. If you weren't here, there were several kids that weren't here that day, so just let me know. You weren't here? It's pink.
What's social studies?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, yeah. Daily geography. Huh? Good. Anybody else not have it? All right. So we're actually not going to do everything in this packet. You're welcome. I know you did the first couple of pages. We're going to actually go and look at, find the page that says 108 volume. Did you do this? I don't think you did this one, did you? Okay, so we talked about volume just a teeny tiny bit this year. Volume is how many units can fill a solid figure. So this figure is always three-dimensional. Think of a drawer. Think of socks. How many pairs of socks can you fit inside your drawer? So we've talked a lot about surface area, and we found area of complex figures, which is base times height. That's a flat surface. This is actually a three-dimensional figure that you can put things inside. And I've told you, volume is always multiplying three numbers: the base, the height, and the depth. So, and sometimes they use different words, like here, this is height, width, and length. So when I say depth, that also means how wide it is. So for these figures, you need to find the volume of each one, and all you need to do is multiply the three numbers together. So let's do these together. 3 times 5 is what? 15. And then 15 times 3 is? 45.
I did 3 times 3 is 29.
You can do that too. Now, the way that we label it is, let's see.
Like with a 2?
We label it cubic, but this one doesn't actually have a specific,
It says cubic units at the volume is cubic units. It says on that side, on the left side.
so let's just call it centimeters. Let's pretend they're centimeters. And then for cube, we put a little 3 off in the corner. Kind of what we do for area when we make it squared. We put a little 2 above it. All right, will you find the volume of number 2? Raise your hand when you have it. It's hard. It's real hard. Stella. Centimeters.
Square.
Not squared.
Cube.
Cubed, right? So we do 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 times 6, which is 24, and we're calling them centimeters, so cubed.
I've never seen that.
You can multiply them in any order, because remember, multiplication is commutative, which means you can rearrange the numbers however you want, as long as you're always multiplying them. All right, will you please do number 3 and 4 and write down your answer?